Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Seven tips in increasing your mental stamina. Stamina, simply put, is the threshold that helps you to sustain the physical or mental effort that you put up to. It helps you to increase the sustainability of that effort with time and practice, taking you to hold the efforts longer periods of time. Everyone wants to have a great stamina. Stamina can be both physical and mental. Mental stamina allows you to focus on some task or activities for a longer period of time with full concentration and so on. People with low mental stamina may feel much worse after they get through a bad relationship or disgraceful day in their office. On the other hand, people with low physical stamina can get tired just after climbing some stairs. Since we have already discussed about increasing your physical stamina in our previous video, we will focus on increasing your mental stamina. First, one step at a time. For some people, multitasking can work, but if you want to really progress your focus and mental stamina, it's significant to slender in one thing only. See it through to end and then take on something else. Start with the most vital or the hardest task you need to complete while you are fresh. Get it out of the way so that the rest of the work you have got to do will be smoother sailing and will require less of you. Do something until it's finished. It takes you a long time to go in and out of task, reacclimating yourself to the job at hand. Instead of getting up and doing something else for a while, finish, then take a break, then start something new. Second, eliminate distractions. If you're concentrating on doing math problems or understanding a difficult text, you shouldn't be also trying to eat a sandwich, watch television, or carry on a conversation. Eliminate the noise, put your phone away, and just do the thing you're doing. Find a quiet space when you want to focus. If you have trouble finding one where you are, get some noise-cancelling headphones and just leave them on silent. Lots of people think that the radio on in the background is a good way to study, or that they can watch TV while reading papers. This is partially true. Only listening to music if you have heard it before and you like it. Don't try to focus on watching a show you have never seen before. Third, yoga. Yoga not just makes your physical health well, but it encourages the betterment of your mental health too. Every day, 1 hour of yoga is what you need to boost up your mind and body. It will keep you stay positive and increase your mental and physical stamina naturally. Fourth, use visualization. Visualization is a common technique for handling stress. When you are overwhelmed, imagine yourself in a calm, smoothing place for a few minutes and it can help you to manage the stress. Athletes use it in other ways. Some athletes use visualization right before a game to practice mentally. A basketball player might close his eyes and think about what a free throw will look like. A sprinter might imagine the gun going off and the first few steps. Visualization can give you mental space to rehearse. Fifth, de-stress regularly. Your mind needs both exercise and an occasional break. If you tend toward the obsessive or have trouble shutting your brain off, it can make it very challenging to focus. You don't have to be on all the time. Give yourself permission to relax your mind and calm your stress. Try progressive muscle relaxation regularly, especially if you are in the middle of something tough. It only takes 15 minutes and involves nothing more than slowly tensing and releasing your muscles. Sixth, change your diet. What you put into your body affects the way your mind works. If you have got a day of heavy lifting in the brain department, make sure you eat a diet rich in protein, slow digesting carbohydrates, and fresh fruits and vegetables to get your brain firing on all cylinders. Oatmeal, fruit, cereal, toast, and yogurt are all great breakfast choices if you have got to do some heavy thinking over the course of a day. Of course, if you are a coffee drinker, it's fine to have a cup, but stop after one. Avoid heavy saturated fats, sugary foods, and high caffeine levels. Overdoing the caffeine will almost certainly cause you to crash, and the first thing to suffer will be your mental stamina. Cut back on caffeine if you're a regular user. 7th, get more sleep. Sleep gives your brain and body time to recover. If you want to get the most out of your mind, give it plenty of time to turn off at the end of the day with good quality rest. While most doctors and sleep scientists agree that humans require around 8 hours of sleep per night, individuals differ widely. You know your body best. If waking up in the morning feels like the end of the world, then you're likely not getting enough. Don't eat or drink any caffeine, alcohol, or sugary beverages shortly before bed. When your body is working to digest, your sleep suffers in quality. So, in conclusion, building mental stamina is a long-time process and not something you can achieve overnight. You need to make it a habit and practice it regularly to keep your mind healthy and at peace. It is a skill and it only comes to those with patience and consistency practice. Believe me, it will help in your studies too. I hope this video will be helpful for all the viewers.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.